Hello everybody and welcome for a new 3D video. This video is all about mechanisms because we need them to make our gun. So if you watched our previous videos, we have a working gun, but we have a new design that will not be used. Why? It's because I found a motor and we will use that on the gun. But before, we need to try out and see if the motor will really work. So we need to make some just engrenage. I don't have the English name, but we need to make this to just change the angle of the motor to put this where we want to put it, and after we will need to make this stronger because the motor turns really fast but with not a lot of force, so we need it to be very strong but not very fast. So here's why we print that. So after a little bit of testing, software animation, because I'm just playing with that, so as you can see we have a little animation that's completely reversed because the motor and the big wheel will be swapped. You will see at the test of the end of the video. So as you can see, I've printed that. It's not in very high quality, but it's just a test, so we need that to be fast. And as you can see, it's pretty nice working. I think we'll put this in the last. So thank you for watching.